I was recently let go from a job due to a verbal altercation, and our employee handbook clearly states that should there be a verbal altercation, both parties are to be excused, but I was the only one who was, and I'm now being denied unemployment. Is there anything I can do?
Well, Christine, you would, go back to your handbook, and I think there should be a grievance procedure there that you could implement. If not, you need to ask the Human Resource Department, if there's one with your company, that you do want to, have this investigated, and ask the question, why was I discharged and not the other person? There could be, if there's a difference in the race of the two people, that could be a race issue. It could be a gender issue. I don't know the race or gender of the other person, but definitely you need to look at your handbook and then go to the Human Resource Department.
Now, with the HR department, would they give that information out?
They should.
Okay.
Especially if there's a grievance procedure. And if they won't give the answer, that is usually
a red flag?
A red flag for discrimination.
Okay.
And for someone like Kristen who has potentially what would be a federal claim, a federal discrimination claim, how much time does she have from the time that she feels like she was discriminated against to file a claim or file an EEOC complaint?
Right. You only have 180 days to file your EEOC claim. And a lot of people think that we're living in the state of Alabama. You have a 2-year statute of limitation. That does not apply to these federal claims, and you have to file that with the EEOC within 180 days.
And if you don't do it, your claim is out the window. Is that right?
Correct. Okay. Also, with the unemployment, you want to make sure that you appeal that and get a hearing on that as well.
All right. Well, Christine.